All right. What's happening with your baby? Is Raj. And finally, man, making a video of doing a screen share, man, showing you the charts, showing you what I'm gonna do, and you know, this is just my Forex journey, man. All right, so I found a prop firm. I mean, there's a bunch of them, a whole lot of them, and this is going to be my first prop firm challenge since I came back in the Forex game, and you know, pretty excited, man. You know, I'm nervous, I'm excited. I'm excited because, man, my life is about to change, man, and I'm finally getting consistent at this thing, man. So this is my funded Forex. I'm starting a $5,000 account. I'm starting small with live funds, you know what I mean, just so I can get used to the losses, right? So I can get used to the wins, so I can get used to the live money on the line, right? And then after this, I'm gonna scale it up and bounce up and do things. The reason why I took this one, man, is purely on price. It's $25 for a $5,000 account. I mean, you can't lose on this one, man. You know what I mean? Right now they got a coupon code till the end of the year. Well, not the end of the year, excuse me. Till the 11th. I'm talking about the end of the year. And you get 50% off, right? So I'm like, shit, you can't go wrong with that, man. And they got good spreads. They got no commission. And all you gotta do is get 8%. All right, what am I doing? Let me come over here, habits. All right, so let me show you the charts, man, and what I do. This is a back testing thing. So these are some charts that I set up, and everything looks. I only trade one pair. I mean, I know a lot of people might trade a whole bunch of other stuff, man, but I'm good with just one pair, man. I'm what you call Gucci. I used to be that boy, man, that traded a whole bunch of pairs. I mean, maybe if I'm bored, I like going wilding out, man, trading a whole bunch of pairs, scalping and everything, man. But I don't. You don't need to do that. All right. So what I'm doing is this is a LuxAlgo indicator. LuxAlgo is literally the ish. I combine LuxAlgo with ICT. All right, ICT mentorship, LuxAlgo, full-time trading. I'm learning a lot of stuff. I'm starting to put it together. I used to be a price action dude. I used to be a free indicator dude, the 20 and the 200 moving averages. Look, you could use whatever you want. All right, when you want to trade, you can use whatever you want. But I love LuxAlgo. Now LuxAlgo got a bunch of free indicators too. And you can use those. Nothing wrong with it. But the reason why I love, let's go to the 5-minute real quick, and let's do some back testing. Let me close this and let me show you some back testing real quick with the LuxAlgo premium indicator. There's no affiliate links on the bottom, not yet. I got to sign up to be an affiliate. So let's back test real quick. Let me show you something. Let me show you why I love this indicator. And I gotta show you how to use it. Oops. Hey, can I do that? Bang, bang, bang. I don't know why it does that. So anyway, let's go back about a month. Right? And I'm gonna just show you about 10 trades. Right? So let's back test. And yes, this works without you knowing it. You know what I mean? You don't gotta know the future. So let's back test and let's look at some stuff real quick. Alright, let's see what's going on. Alright, so when this indicator goes off, right, this is a signals indicator, systems and overlays. This is only one of them, right? Now they have another indicator that works 100% with ICT concepts, smart money, market movers, man, whatever you want to call it, man. It's a lot of different. Now this stuff is new. This stuff is well, it ain't new because ICT been around for a minute. It's new to me. You know what I mean? Because I was never aware of it when I first started trading. Like it's crazy. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to wait for these signals to pop. They got all different kind of signals, right? They got the ultimate MACD. You can change this for oscillators if you want, and they got these signals: trend lines, the trend cloud. They use color heat. I don't think they're Ichimoku candles, but they're just colored candles, right? There's no price action, right? So we don't use engulfing candles, double bottom, triple bottom, nothing like that. You can if you want. I mean, you can do whatever you want. It's your business, right? So what we wait for is we wait for signals to pop like this, right? And this is the 5 minute, so we'll take our long. So if a signal pops, right, let's say you come right here, signal pops, right, and if you're trading on the 5 minute chart, you want to catch at least 5 pips, right? If you're trading on the 5 minute, excuse me, right? Now, please adjust accordingly, right? You probably want a 3 pip stop loss, right? Like you want your risk reward ratio to be high. If you don't know how much to trade with, always come over here. So let's say now, right, you're trading with a $5,000 account. I want to risk 1% a trade, and I got a 3 pip stop loss, right? My lot size will be 2 lots, right? So you're gonna come over here, and let's say this thing comes up, boom, you're gonna bust this trade. You're gonna come in at market with a 2 lot play, right? Boom, hit 2 lots, 5 pips, you're out, done, right? Or you can let it run if you want to, but I wouldn't let it run on the 5 or the 2 minute. I'll let it run on a longer period. So let's press play. All right, so what you're gonna do? So I'm gonna show you what to look for and how this indicator works. I'll show you in a second. So let's press play and let's wait for a confirmation to come up. Right, and you can set your alerts. I'll show you how to set your alerts in a second too. All right, so boom. So let's say this comes up, right? You're in a trade or you're waiting, you get an alert, bang, this comes up. Let's replay it, right? Oops. Let's replay it to right here. All right, turn that down. All right, bang, this comes up on this candle, so you're gonna wait for the second candle. Now, what you look for, this is what you look for, right? Remember, this is a buy signal, bear. I changed all the colors and everything too, so yours won't look like this. You get the signal, you want to check for the MACD, right, is in the green, right? You want to make sure that you're in the bullish trend cloud, right? And then you want to make sure your trend catcher is, this is above the trend catcher, right? And you want to make sure that your candles, right, are blue. Now, you can get in this trade now. I look for, there's 5 confluences, right? 5 signals that you want to find. 5. You want to wait for 5, and you want to be patient. Sometimes if you want to feel a little bit risky, you can go with 4, right? But if you go with 4, it's going to be a little risky, right? But you can still make it with 4. So look, so let's say you're going to come in at the end of this candle, right? As soon as it comes in, boom, you're in, right? And looks like you already hit the target, right? You already hit the target, bang, right? Bang, you definitely hit it right there. If you came in a little late, and then you look like you're about to lose it, boom, right? So you're done, you're out. So, but you came in early, you pushed the button, now you're in, right? 5 pips, like I said, get in and then get out. Now, when these candles turn red, they will be purple or you're in. You don't want to trade, right? And like I said, this was risky. This was blue, right? For me, blue means not don't sell, but it means to short, right? Red means don't do anything. White, you want this candle to be white when you're in the bullish trend, right? So let's play it some more, right? So now we're looking for a sell, right? Could go back up, don't know what it's going to do, right? We're not here to guess with this indicator, right? A little bit, but we're here to wait for price to come to us, bang, right? Perfect signal. Let's back it up a little bit. Perfect signal, right? Check this out, bang, bang, right? Signal goes off, boom, right? I hop in on the next candle. Looks like it was up here, right? But look like it banged you out, right? So you will want to wait now, right? You can hop in wherever you at. Looks like you would have took an L right there. Wait a minute, because you started out, it would have got you out. Now you can risk more if you want, right? This is just 3 pips. You could do 5 and 10. You know what I mean? But stick with your plan. If you do 10 pips and well, on the 5 minute, you might get stopped out, right? So stick with your plan, right? You would have came in, you could have still stayed in. You could jump right back in if you want, right? Because this trend is still strong. The trend catches there, right? The candles are white. Oh, now I got five confluences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I gotta get in, right? Had some crazy nonsense right here. Who knows when you would have got in, right? But you would have got it, right? Bang, bang, and now you're out, right? Now you're out. So this is a crazy. So you gotta, you're gonna win more than you lose. Some you're gonna lose, right? So now we're waiting, right? You're gonna bet about 70%, but make sure your risk reward ratio is good, so that way even when you lose, you still win, right? Because you're gonna win more than you lose. See, now here it looks like it missed the signal. Well, yeah, it definitely missed the signal. Sometimes it does that. But excuse me. Been a long time since I did a video. Alright, here's another bullish. I wouldn't do that one. Not getting into that one. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Now, boom, 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 boom. Here goes a bull, right? Now the best candles to get into are the ones with the pluses. Here goes a bull, right? You want to wait. Same thing. You want this to be blue, the cloud to be blue. You want the candles to be blue, right? Don't get in on a red candle. Wait, and you want that trend line to be blue, and you want this to be red. And then what you want to do is you want to come in. So let's say we got it right here, right? You'll get the alert, bam, 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 right? You'll wait for that to go over here, and you say, all right, cool, bet. Grab your short. You're gonna be right here, right? I got the 2 minute, right? Hit OK, and boom, you're already in profit. Already in profit. Now you could have kept it until it goes all the way down here. Now this is the exit signal that it'll give you, right? You can hold it for that. You can get an alert for that. But I like to get my 5 pips and dip. I'm out, right? Hold it again. Now what we want, 2 or 3 trades, right? Here's another one. Now sometimes if you're feeling frisky, if you're feeling like a rabbit, you can hop in. Right, you can hop in on a red, but I wouldn't. Right, this came up, the candle's red, it's gonna be purple on your end. Right, you wait, boom. Right, soon as this turns my color, right, probably would have been down here somewhere. All right, who knows where you would have caught it at. You grab your long, you come here, right. I always save my template for 2 minutes so I don't gotta adjust it. Right, hit the play button, right, boom, I'm already winning, right, got in, boom. See, that's why I want to do, when I'm doing the 5 minutes, I'm in and out. Now we can test it on the 15 minute, excuse me, you'll get bigger plays. You'll get almost identical plays, but you'll get bigger plays. Now back test this yourself, right? When it comes in, look at this play. When it comes in on the 15 minute, you can catch more pips. You can probably go for 10 pips to play on this one, right? But still, be careful, man. Always play with risk management when you're dealing with this stuff, because sometimes signals come and signals go. Dude, it's Forex. Nothing is perfect, right? If anybody tells you they got a perfect system, ain't nothing perfect, right? So I also like to use price action with this stuff. Oh, not, excuse me, not price action. Smart money concepts. So with the smart money concepts, right, it gives you the break of structure, it gives you the chalk, it gives you the higher highs, lower lows, right? It gives you the order blocks. I don't use the MACD with this one. I mean, you can if you want to. I don't. And it just, you'll see price trading from block to block to block, from swing lows, right? I don't have my lows, high lows. This is different. This is a bearish chart, right? But you can switch all of this. I'll make another video with this. You can switch everything with the settings, right? I mean, this thing is sick, right? Chop, you can come down to the lows, right? You know, you're gonna have a low right here, then come up, right? However you want to play it. And then I use both indicators sometimes, right? Like if I get a signal, right, I will use both indicators. Ain't no shame in using both indicators, right? Because if I get a signal sometimes, I'm like, all right, where's price going? Why did I get a signal here, right? And I might turn on the price action indicator. I'm like, oh, okay, they're aiming for that order block, or they're aiming for this weak high, right? Or they're aiming for this weak low, or you know, this strong low is protected. I know we're not going down here, so you know, I can put my stop down here if I want. I can have a wider stop, and I can go after bigger money, right? Or I don't got to risk that much. It's all on you. This stuff works on every time frame, right? And you know, I'm gonna take my time with this challenge. It's a little $5,000 challenge. It's $25, and this is just my journey, man. I don't want to do nothing too risky, nothing too crazy. And I know these prop firms always got deals going on. They always got stuff going on, and you know, I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna try to come on here every day. I know I'm trying to map out some time on when I'm coming on here. You know, I gotta get my setup right. I gotta get everything right. Right now, I'm all over the place, man. I don't really have a theme right now, but we getting there. So right now, this is fresh. They got the leaderboard, of course. They got a competition, right? And, you know, all the prop firms are basically the same. I'm not looking to beat nobody to get on top of the leaderboard. It look like he almost doubled his account, right? He should just chill, right? You ain't got to do anything, right? You getting a free account right now. They show his statistics, right? And you can look at his trade, man. See, he's trading gold. See, and you can look at the leaders too, and you can see what they do. See, he's trading indices, right? It's like people are just, you know, they're focused, man. You know, the good traders are focused, right? His volume is low. I didn't look at his volume, right? Look at that, 3. Look at that. He's killing it on gold with 1 lots and 3 lots, right? He has a gold setup. Like, he knows what he's doing. I mean, like, people not doing nothing crazy. Like, you don't gotta over risk yourself, right? You don't gotta go crazy doing stupid risking. You know what I mean? Look at this trader, man. He's good, right? He's trading gold too, right? So he has a different strategy with gold. Imagine if he had his strategy with gold. You know what I mean, who knows, man? But everybody does something different, right? Everybody trades different pairs. Here's another gold. Looks like it's a lot of gold people. Here goes pound USD. You trade what you're comfortable with. You know what I mean? Sometimes I like trading gold too, pound. Right? He's trading 3 pairs, right? He's losing more, right? But look at, he's taking bigger lot sizes right here. I guess he knows what he's doing. So look, with his bigger lots, he lost every trade on the big lots except for 1, and he got out with 60. So he's losing so much more, right? Study the leaderboards. Look at their trades. Look at and see, why do people lose, right? Analyze your charts too. Now look at this. He's staying at 1 lot, right? He's profitable though. He's profitable. He got his 10% on a 10,000 account. He got 12%. He's good. This is profitable. If he can do this every month, keep compounding it and building it, it's good. All right, you only lost 1 trade, right? And he's sticking with 1 pair for the most part. He got Euro USD for whatever reason why he hopped in there, but he did, right? He's trading a lot. Man, he got trashed on all these other ones, but that's okay, right? I didn't even know. See, I'm still familiarizing myself with this platform. Anyway, hit the link below. You can get this $25, man. $25, getting the game, $5,000 account. or you can get any of them. They all 50% off right now till June 11th, right? Anyway, I see you at the top, man. Stay focused, man, with these prop firms, and I'm going to be dropping videos pretty frequently, man. I want to say every day, but at least 3 times a week. All right. Anyway, I see you at the top. Stay focused out there. All right. Peace.